Hello, and thank you for joining us again today for another episode of In the Shop with Mero Concepts. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to change your battery out in the DSC PG9303 door window contact sensor. So what you want to first do is, usually this will be mounted either flatly on the door or to a window jamb. So you're going to take a small flathead screwdriver, and there's a pry point in several areas on the sensor. So you have one here, you have one here. Depending where it's mounted, one will be easier to get to than the other, or they may be both accessible. So what you want to do is you want to take your flathead screwdriver and you want to gently pry into the contact. You're going to hear that click, and then you're going to pull this here. This takes a little bit of finagling, so it does take a little bit. Once you pull that, you're going to have the front of the sensor in your hand, and you'll see right here the battery. It's a lithium ion battery. It's a CR2450. And then you're going to take and pop out the battery. This would be your old battery, so you'd pop that out and get your new battery. And then when you place your new battery, make sure that you can see the writing facing up and the other side, which is here, a little bit of a texture to it, facing down. And you're going to insert it from the top at a slight angle, push down, battery's in place, and then you're going to replace your cover. And just note that these two tabs at the top should match the two tabs here, and then how the sensor's sitting. And so now what we're going to do is take this, pop it in here, and click. And now your battery's been changed. It'll check back in with your security panel and should clear the low battery. If you do have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We hope to see you in the next video, and thank you for joining us today. Have a great day.